Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to set VLC as default player on Windows. Here are the simple steps to set VLC Media Player as your default player on Windows PC. First one is to open or set up in the settings. Click the Start menu, the Windows icon on the bottom left of the screen. Select Settings, the gear icon, or press Windows plus I on your keyboard. In the Settings window, click on Apps. Then click Default Apps from the left-hand menu or center panel and Windows 11. Last part is to set up or choose VLC Media for media types. Click on the current default app under each category. For example, Movies and TV or iTunes. So in this file, I'll choose MP3. From the list, select VLC Media Player. Hit Set Default. Repeat for both music and video if needed. Another one is to scroll further down and click Choose Defaults by file type. Find media file extensions like M4A, etc. Go ahead and click on it. For each extension, click the current default app shown and choose VLC Media Player and hit Set Default. Once done, close these settings. VLC is now your default media player. You're all set. Now, double-clicking any media file will open it in VLC Media Player. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.